Susie from Style Susie, and today I'm going to be running through my hair care routine to show you how I keep my hair happy, healthy, shiny and generally just looking fab. So just a bit of background history. My hair is naturally black, as you can see, my roots are coming through, and I normally have highlights done at the salon which gives me this gorgeous dark blonde colour. But because my hair is chemically processed and bleached, hair care is very important to me. I have to make sure that not only do I maintain my colour, but I also have to protect the integrity of my hair, make sure it doesn't damage anything any further. I have to make sure that I'm using the best products. Before I start any hair care routine, this is a little tip that I want to share with everyone. It seems very basic and simple, but I know that a lot of people don't do it. Before you put any product on your hair, use a gentle brush to comb or brush through your hair, just so that you can eliminate any knots, any tangles, because once the hair is wet or damp, that is when it's most fragile, and that's when you don't really want to be pulling your brush through and getting rid of any tangles. So please do that before you start any hair care routine. I always begin my hair care routine with OLAPLEX number 0. This is a primer. It primes, repairs, strengthens and protects all hair types, and this, honestly, this and number 3 together, it is a godsend. It is in a spray bottle. It's quite watery, so what I like to do is spray it on my dry hair, and I like to spray it into my hands. So I just hold my hair like this and spray it so that any residue from the product doesn't drop onto the floor and I don't waste any products. I spray it into my hand, and then whatever's left is on my hand, and I just like to, you know, give it a good massage, make sure it really saturates the hair. You want to spray your hair until it's damp and not soaking wet, that's really important. Just make sure you spray it all over. I always start with my ends, work it up to my roots, and then I leave it on for about 10 minutes. So after about 10 minutes, whilst the hair is still damp with number 0 in, I go in with number 3. This repairs and strengthens all hair types. This was the first OLAPLEX product that I ever used, and I cannot tell you how many bottles I have been through. This is absolutely a godsend. But then OLAPLEX came out with number 0, and used together, honestly, this is like a magic potion. I like to squeeze out quite a generous amount of number 3 because my hair is long and thick and it just needs that extra product, so I do not scrimp on this. I go generous on this, and I apply it on top of number 0. Together these two work like a dream. Honestly, you will feel the difference after just one use. It is scientifically proven to repair your hair up to 68% and make it 3 times stronger after just one use. Honestly, when you wash your hair, when you're washing it out, you will feel it. Once I've rinsed out number 0 and 3, I go in with number 4P. This is a blonde enhancer toning shampoo. It repairs, hydrates, brightens all blonde, lightened and grey hair. Because my hair is naturally black, when I bleach it, it naturally is prone to brassiness. So for me, a purple shampoo is just, no question about it, is a must-have in my hair care routine. This is something that I've been waiting for. A lot of purple shampoos can dry out your hair, but not this one. This one keeps your hair soft, nourished, like I've just come out of the salon, even though it's probably been weeks. One thing I would like to mention is OLAPLEX has a patented ingredient, and that ingredient is present within all of the products, which is why I love OLAPLEX so much, because once you've used OLAPLEX, you will not find anything better. After I've shampooed off my purple shampoo, I then go in with number 5. This is the Bond Maintenance Conditioner. It repairs, strengthens and nourishes all hair types. Again, it's got the OLAPLEX ingredient in it, and it's a really good conditioner for keeping your hair nice and soft and managed, and it's weightless as well. Once I'm out of the shower and I've towel dried my hair, I then like to go in with number 9. This is the Nourishing Hair Serum. It's a antioxidant rich serum. It makes your hair more manageable, it smooths and it protects, and again, it's weightless. So all of these products, even though I've layered my products on, it doesn't feel heavy at all. In fact, it actually feels like nothing. Like it just feels like fresh, clean hair. I just squeeze a generous amount into my hands and I apply it onto my damp hair. It's anti-tangle and anti-static, which is really good for my hair because my hair is long and it does get tangled quite easily, especially when it's damp. It makes your hair really soft and shiny, and also protects your hair from pollution for up to 48 hours. Once I've applied number 9, I like to go in with number 6. This is a Bond Smoother. It's a leave-in styling treatment. It adds moisture, strengthens and reduces frizz for up to 72 hours. And again, I like to apply it on top of number 9 whilst my hair is still damp. It speeds up the blow drying time and it just makes the hair really smooth, smooths away any flyaways, whilst keeping the hair really strong and healthy. Once I've used number 6, I go in with number 7, which is the bonding oil. Again, I've been through so many bottles of these. Like, this little bottle lasts a long time because a little goes a long way, and I like to put out a few drops onto my hands, and then I mainly put this on the ends of my hair where it needs that extra bit of TLC, just because my ends are a little bit more dry than the rest of my hair through all the processing or the styling that I usually do. This will repair and strengthen the hair structure and also just keep my hair looking nice and shiny and protecting it from any heat damage as well. Once I've laid all of my styling products, I like to leave my hair to air dry for as long as I can. Normally I would just go away and do something around the house, or you know, just catch up on emails or something. And then when it's about 95% dry, that's when I go in with some styling tools to style the hair. I like to use a hair tool that incorporates drying and styling at the same time, just so there's less heat damage and I'm not spending too long on styling my hair. This is the result I end up with. Really healthy, shiny, manageable. I'm just going to come a little bit closer so you can see the colour of my hair and the texture, how soft it is. Thanks to OLAPLEX, my hair integrity is maintained and there's no breakage, there's no unhealthiness. It's just nice, soft, healthy, shiny hair.